up, BC Gang? It's Brandy here.
It's Cedro, and you know it.
And today, we back with another video.
A cooking video.
Another one,
We
period.
do a lot of cooking. So this is what we're gonna do. We gonna start a series of video called the
Cooking Couple. So, all our cooking videos that we do are gonna be uploaded on our tab called the Cooking Couple, okay?
So make sure y'all tune in for that, because we're gonna drop a lot of videos of us cooking.
Period. We're making curry chicken with rice and peas. This is our first time trying this.
Ever. So look, we're gonna jump right into it, because we need to start cooking so we can eat.
Period. Okay, first step, make sure you get the peas and you soak them, okay? We had ours soaking overnight. We seen videos where it says you don't have to soak them overnight, but they need to be soaking for at least 2 hours. So we just added some little cut up onions in there, but make sure you soak them. Make sure you soak them so they'll come out real nice and done. You won't have to cook them as long if they've been soaking.
Okay, all the spices you're gonna need, plus your own. But these are the spices we seen the most. You got your thyme, fresh garlic, scallions or green onions, they the same thing we had. Kosher salt for the chicken, coconut milk for the rice and peas. We're gonna show y'all this, because this is an important step. All-purpose seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, a little cayenne pepper because we like the little heat. You got your allspice, or what they call pimento seeds, curry, and we got some mild curry powder, and we got black pepper. So we're about to get into the first process. We're gonna get the rice and peas started, and then we got the chicken already. What I did to the chicken was I just de-skinned it, cleaned it up. Now I'm about to go cut it into smaller pieces, get some of the fat off of it. I don't want all the fat gone, but for the most part, I don't like all that fat either. So we're gonna come back with y'all.
Okay, y'all, so now that we got the peas in the pot, we're gonna let them come to a boil. But we're gonna go ahead and season it a little bit with the all-purpose, put a little bit in there. That's enough of that. And we're gonna put some black pepper and a little bit of salt. And while that's coming to a boil, we're gonna go ahead and prepare our garlic cloves, thyme, scallions, and everything else we gotta cut up. So y'all stay tuned for that.
Okay, y'all, what we about to do is cut up this chicken. Cut out the pieces that you know that you don't want, whatever. Like this bone right here, I don't want that bone there, so we're gonna cut this out. And we got dogs, so we're gonna get into the dogs. I don't know if I'm supposed to tell y'all that or not, but anyway. But we're gonna cut up all the chicken, and we're gonna get back with y'all, and after we start seasoning it, we're gonna wash it again and season it up. Got the chicken all washed up and everything. Now we about to season it. We're gonna tune in that. So y'all stay tuned when we season the chicken with it. Okay, we got our garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, all purpose, a little cayenne, and curry. So we gotta get all this in there. See, what y'all gonna do is y'all gonna season this to taste. I ain't gonna give y'all no measurement because I don't know myself. I just eyeball it. Okay, got enough of that. We know we ain't put too much of that in there. That stuff, that get hot. All season, all purpose season. Some fresh crushed black pepper. How many couples cook together? I think cooking together is good. We cook together all the time. I don't really think it matter what we cook. We cooked something so simple at night and still cook together. If y'all cook together, comment below and let us know. I'm probably use a good little amount of this because it's curry chicken. And it smells like curry chicken too. That's fire. This is our first time ever making this. So we're gonna get all this mixed up and we're gonna show y'all the finished product.
So we about to start on the rice while we waiting on the peas to get semi-done, partially done. So we got jasmine rice. We're using jasmine rice. And we're going for more of a shelly rice. That's what they say. So we're going for more of a shelly rice. So they say the key to that is washing the rice, washing the starch off. So I'm about to pour some rice in here and then rinse it off. So with the rice, we're gonna do a 2-to-1 cup ratio as far as the rice and water. So for every cup of rice you use, do 2 cups of water. We're gonna do 2 cups of rice, so that means we need to do 4 cups of water. So now, I'm about to start rinsing this rice off. And yeah. Y'all can come on with me. You wanna make sure all the rice is submerged, and then you're gonna keep washing it until this water is clear. You're gonna get all in there. Just make sure you get every little grain. While the water getting in there, make sure you fingering through it. You see how all that, you see how like dirty it look? It look real milky, rather. Okay, y'all, see how clear it's looking now? So, I'm gonna pour this off, and then we're gonna strain the rice. We're gonna strain the excess water off of it. And then we just wanna get the rest of that extra water.
Okay, we about to start with the chicken. Right, the rice, let me show y'all, not the rice, but the peas. Peas got a little boil, they come to a boil. They ain't quite ready yet though. So we're gonna put olive oil.
We're gonna burn the curry. We're gonna burn the curry off.
All right, y'all, we got our curry burning, brown and burning. We about to get ready to add the chicken. And show y'all what it's gonna do. You're supposed to sear the chicken first. You sear it, and then we're gonna add our water and spices to the curry chicken. So we'll be back in a minute. All right, y'all, we're gonna add our chicken. That we just seasoned. And we had got a cut up chicken from the store.
Okay, to give it some more flavor, we just gonna add some onions. Okay.
All right, we turning the chicken right now. You can have it a little darker if you want. We cooking it to our liking. So if you want yours a little darker, you can. But like I say, we cooking it to our liking. And then when you brown that curry or burn that curry, it's gonna help give you that darker look anyway. Okay, this is what we season the chicken in. We're gonna keep this.
Cause once this chicken brown on both sides, we're gonna add water to this and then pour it back
in there. So you want all that flavor. You want to get all that flavor out of there. You want to get all that flavor out of there. And you're gonna pour this in there. I'm gonna take the water and just pour it in there. And we're gonna get a little more water and pour. We're gonna pretty much cover the chicken in water so it can simmer down. And we're gonna add some more curry powder.
Okay, y'all. So we added some more water to it, and then we're gonna cover it with the top and let that cook for about 15-20 minutes. And now we're about to get started with the peas because they are boiling and they are somewhat soft.
I would say we're about 50% done, 55% done.
Yeah, they're about 50% done. They don't need to be all the way done because they gotta cook some more when we add the rice and stuff. Okay, we're adding the coconut milk. We're gonna add about half of this can. We're gonna give it a good stir. Okay, now we're gonna put some thyme in there. We'll put some thyme in there, get our scallions, our onions, our garlic. We're gonna add it straight to here. And we're gonna let that boil for about 5 to 10 minutes and then we'll come back and add the rice. So we're gonna give this a good stir, make sure everything is nice and, especially the thyme, we're gonna make sure it's nice and submerged and evenly spread it. And then we'll get back to y'all once we add the rice.
After you add all your spices to your pigeon peas, you're gonna add your seasoning to it. So pretty much season it to your taste, what all you want in there. So we're gonna put all-purpose in ours, some onion powder, garlic powder, some salt, and crushed black pepper.
Okay, y'all, we don't let this cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. Now we finna add this rice. Okay, now that we got the rice added, we just gonna spread it evenly. And then we gotta add some more water so that it can cover the rice. So we wanna get about, well, we put 2 cups of rice, so we gotta add 2 cups of water. We gotta add 4 cups of water, sorry. We added all the water that we're gonna add, and then we're gonna stir it up real good, make sure everything is even, and then we're gonna let this simmer. We're gonna let this rice cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, y'all, let's just do an update. Ooh, that is what our chicken looks like. It looks so good. And then we got the rice over here. The key to this, y'all, is don't stir the rice. Once it starts boiling, do not stir it. Let the water boil out, but keep a good eye on it so it won't, so your rice won't burn. But yeah, that's where we at so far. So we'll get back to y'all once everything gets finished. So we got the rice and peas cut off. We had them cooked for about 15 to 20 minutes and just about all the water has boiled out. And this is what it's looking like right now. We already done turned it off. So now we're gonna let it, put some aluminum foil on it and let it steam for about 5 to 10 minutes and then it should be done. We got the chicken over here. It's looking good. It's looking real good. That should be another maybe 5 or 10 minutes on that as well. And we'll get back to y'all. Okay, so we just took the aluminum foil off and this is our finished product with the rice and peas. Of course, y'all need to make sure you do not eat the pimentos and
berries or the allspice.
Pimento berries or the allspice seasoning, and you need to fetch out your thyme stem. And right now, we're not gonna stir it, but we're gonna fluff it.
Yeah, the chicken is done. It's tender. Little bone right there. Look at the bones that come out of this. And how you know it's ready. So we're about to plate it and we're gonna get back with y'all in a minute.
This is the finished product. cook. So it was our first time. I think we did about an 8 out of 10. What y'all think? Comment down below. How did we do?
Okay, y'all, we all done. All dente. I think that's what it said.
Yeah, al dente, yeah.
All right, cooking time, roughly 2 hours.
Yeah,
and
for
some change.
both parts.
I don't think it took the chicken as long. It took the rice and peas longer.
Really, the peas.
Yeah.
The peas. So
It took the peas longer than we was expecting.
if y'all want to, y'all can get a head start by cooking the peas
First, probably at least
30 minutes
30 to
before,
40 minutes.
Yeah, 30 minutes before you even start on the chicken and everything.
Right. So, but in all, it looks great for our first time. Like I said, I would rate it 8.5, 9, depending on how it tastes. And if it tastes how it look,
Yeah.
off the Richter scale, that ain't no number. So,
But we'll definitely try it again.
most definitely, I think we gotta cook it for people.
Yeah, true.
So they'll be like, okay, it was good.
Yeah.
You know, because sometimes you can say it's good to us, but
Just
not
because we
everybody.
cooked it,
Yeah,
right?
so we gotta cook it for people.
Yeah. So y'all try it and y'all comment down below how yours turned out.
Right. So it's not a hard meal to cook
Yeah.
at all. Pretty much you just need your curry powder.
And if y'all want to see more videos like this, make sure you guys check out the Cooking Couple tab on our channel.
There's gonna be more videos to come. We out. Make sure y'all comment below, like and subscribe.
Yeah.
So.
And we'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.